Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Dante, and today we're going to go over some very simple things to check if your fridge is cooling how it should. One thing you want to check for is your main display right here. These fridges are all different, so for your specific one, you have to either read your owner's manual or call the manufacturer. But they have a vacation mode, they have a turn cooling off mode, and they also have a showroom mode. Depending on your model, like I said, these buttons, what you'll have to press is going to be different. For this one, to turn the cooling off, you just hold these two down for 3 seconds and it'll go on. The vacation mode, same thing. You'll hold those down and it's going to work at about 40% lower than it should. Another easy way to tell is to go in your freezer, press that back wall, see if that's a little bit crunchy or if it's soft. That's going to determine if you have radiant cold air or air not moving at all. You also want to feel the front to see if they're kind of the same. Um, those are just some real quick, simple ways to try and figure out if your fridge is cooling how it should. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back next week.